everyone, it's Sudha here. Today in this video, I will briefly describe the concept of looping structure. So, let's start it. First of all, what is loop? A type of control structure that repeats a statement or set of statements is called loop. It's also known as iterative or repetitive structure. So guys, loops are basically used for two purposes. First of all, to execute a statement or set of statements for a specified numbers of time. For example, a user may want to display his name on the screen for 10 times or more. And the second one is to use a sequence of value. For example, a user may want to display a set of natural numbers, odd numbers, even numbers from 1 to 10 or more. So, there are three types of loops. First of all, while loop. Second one is do while loop. And the third one that is mostly used is for loop. So, counter control loop. This type of loop depends on the value of a variable known as counter control loop. The value of counter variable is incremented or decremented each time the body of the loop is executed. So guys, this loop depends on the following: initial value of the counter variable, terminating condition, and increment or decrement value. So the next one is sequential control loop. This type of loop depends on special value known as sequential value. The loop terminates when sequential value is in counter. The number of iterations of sequential control loop is unknown. For example, suppose that the sequential value of terminate a loop is -1. If the user enters -1, then the loop will be terminate. So, if the user enters -1 in the first iteration, the loop will execute only once. But if the user enters -1 after entering many others value, the number of iterations will vary accordingly. So guys, I hope this small video will really help you. If you like the video, then click on like button, subscribe button and share button. If you have any query, then comments below. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.